So I hope this has given you some idea of how you can free your voice by freeing your body. And one more little idea that I want to share with you is an image of, remember if you watch the Olympics, the divers, they run to the end of the board, they jump on the board and up they come and over. The voice is kind of like that. As you're bending your knees, it's like you're getting ready to jump on the board. Then you're pushing through, that you're coming up in the air, like you've gone down onto the end of the board. You're pushing through, and the voice comes up and out. So so many people, when they go to express themselves, don't feel confident, so the voice just stays in here. It doesn't. It's like you don't throw it. So there's this sense of being able to throw the voice out. So if you just get your hands and just maybe one hand as if you're throwing a ball and feeling how it goes up and over and making that, so you're bending your knees and you're taking the ball up and pushing through your feet and ah. It's almost like you could even be pushing something away from you.